A very warm welcome. Today we'll be hacking Windows passwords in text format. The discussion which we are going to do today will crack the password from all the Windows operating systems, right from Windows XP, Windows 98 to Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows Server 8, Windows 2008 Server, Windows 2003 Server, and a lot more Windows versions. So let's have a look what we need to exploit our system. First of all, the vulnerability which is being exploited is the wdigest functionality, in which we unprotect the local security authority of Microsoft. Basically, we exploit this particular file lsa.ss. lsa. Let's show processes from all users. Here we have lsa.ss.exe, the local security authority process, and we are going to exploit this particular lsa.ss file system. Let's have a look. What we can do is you can download the stuff from blog.gentilkiwi.com/mimikatz. Let's move it in here. Here are the binary files. Just click over here, and here you can download this particular section. Okay, I'll just cancel it. What we have to do is I'll go to CMD, Control Shift Enter. Yes, what I want is I want my passwords in the plain text. So what I'll do is I'll go to my grab password. In this grab password, since my architecture is x64, if you don't know what your system architecture is, just go to CMD and type in msinfo32, and here you'll get the architecture. The architecture is x64. So let's have a look what we have to do. I'll move to the x64 version, and here I'll execute grab password.exe file. Get password exe.exe file, and let me make it a bit high. This was the blog which we have accessed. Let's see what we have to do is I have to go privilege debug. After debugging the Windows in the privilege mode, what we have to do is we have to inject a DLL file, which is secure lsa.dll file into lsa.ss.exe. secure lsa.dll file. This we have to inject into the process lsa.ss.exe. This local security authority subsystem service is responsible for keeping the passwords in our operating system. So let's try enter. So now it is trying to make a connection. The connection is made. What I want now is I want the passwords in the plain text format. So let's see what the passwords. Just press enter, and here we got all the passwords. So here we'll have a lot of passwords. These are the earlier passwords which my system have: wdigest, the TS package, and the Kerberos version. My current password is this specific 123QWEASDZ@%. So it shows that the password is very easily, and in the meantime I have removed my password, so currently my system does not have a password. So this is the password, which is null at now. So what the difference is, earlier you all know that we have NTLM hashes in our computer operating systems, in Windows operating systems. Basically, earlier if we have to crack the password, what we have to do is we have to grab the NTLM hashes file, and then we have to decrypt the NTLM hashes into the plain text format using rainbow table cracks. But that does not work in the real scenario. If in real you want to grab the password of any Windows operating system, you have to use this specific method in which we can grab the passwords from local security authority using a specified DLL file, and we can exploit the vulnerabilities of Live SSP, Kerberos, WDigest, and many more, so that we can grab the hashes, we can decrypt the hashes, we can get the particular passwords in the very plain text. So it is useful in today's scenario as far as hacking is concerned. So I hope you will be enjoying this particular video. By the time I'll guide you, earlier this was the vulnerability and we get the hashes in the NTLM format. Okay? This is the NTLM hashes, and these are the WDigest, TS-Peakage and Kerberos facility in which we can get the password in the plain text. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Hackway's information security series for a lot more fun and stuff which are most awaited. So have a nice day. Thank you.